All right, so we're gonna go over another part of the door here, the keeper. I haven't installed the keeper yet. So this little button here allows me to move these fingers in and out. So I have to press that little button, otherwise it won't move. So I'm gonna go ahead and press that little button. I'm gonna slide the door panel over until it's just barely away from this jamb here. And I can take this keeper and I can look and I can see that the keeper's gonna line up exactly with those fingers. And then I can go ahead and I can pull the panel back and I can go ahead and drill my holes for the keeper. I like to drill just one hole and then I'll put the keeper on. I'll make sure it's exactly where I want it in relation to the fingers. This goes underneath the keeper. And then I have one shim stack under here already, but I like to have two, so I'll put one either here or here, probably here since it's a little bit further from that shim stack. But that's how the keepers go on. They're not very difficult, and that's all there is to it.